Hello guys, sa video to, mag-withdraw po tayo ulit sa larong Play of Games. Sundan na natin yung wallet. Tapos, pindutin natin yung withdraw. Gcash. Lagay natin yung pangalan. Apelyido. Tapos, yung number ng Gcash natin. Then, save. Tapos, withdraw natin ulit. Ilagay natin yung amount. Tapos, i-okay. Then, hintayin natin na 48 hours daw darating yung withdraw natin. At ito guys, may ma-receive kayo na email. Withdraw ko siya ng 10:20 PM. Ayan, makikita nyo, nag-request ako ng $6. At ilang oras lang guys, na-receive ko na po yung withdraw ko. Thank you for watching.